Hello friend, in this lecture we are trying to understand one of the most important concept in a operator base. So I will solve many problem in a operator, right? So this is the most important concept in a operator base, right? So we can try itself for this line of code, right? So before the start of this lecture, let me explain some of the concept, right? This is the expression is given. Basically, I will try to highlight some of the topic. This is the priority and associativity. Suppose expression is given. This is the expression E1 and this is the expression E2. What is the expression E1? Let me E1 is equal to A plus B star C, right? So and E2 will be A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1, right? So how this E1 will be executed and how will be E2 will be executed? This is a question for me, that right? So in a E1 there is a plus and a star. So which operator has a highest priority? We know that. So this will be executed first. After this execution, this will be executed next, right? This is the two, right? So E1 will be evaluated, right? E1 will be evaluated, and in the same way, suppose what how this E2 will be evaluated. So because in this case equal has the same priority, right? So in a given expression, whenever the two operator has the same priority, then we can go for the associativity concept, right? So equal to has a right to left associativity. This equal has a right to left associativity. We can see in this table, right? This is the equal has a right to left associativity. So how will so how this expression will be executed? This is the first. This is the first. That means C is equal to 1. So and again this is the second will be executed, that is B is equal to again 1, and this is the third, that is again A is equal to 1, right? So in the same way we can try to understand all the printf statement, right? So this is the line number 1, right? So in a line number 1, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to 1, right? So we hope in a line number 1 there is a no problem for that. In a line number 2 there is some small concept, right? We have already discussed A plus equal to B plus equal to C, right? So in the same way, right, in the same way, this is the expression is given, right? So in any expression, whenever the two operator has the same priority, then we can go for the associativity. This is the left and this is the right, and we know that plus equal to has a right to left associativity. You can see that plus equal to has a right to left associativity, right? So this will be executed first. This will be executed first, then b is equal to b plus c. So what is the value of b? B is equal to 1. What is c? That is b is 2, right? So this will be 2. This will be 2. So and in the same way we can write a plus equal to 2, right? So this is equal to a is equal to a plus 2. So what is the value of a? A will be 1, and 1 plus 2, that is 3. A will be 3. That means in a line number 2, after the execution of the line number 2, A will be 3, B will be 2, and C will be 1. Right? So I will try to explain this. If you have any doubt, we can ask in the comment section, right? So we hope in this case there is no doubt, right? So just once again, right? So what will be the output of this? 3 2 1, right? So this is the line number 3. So what will be the output of this line number 3? Basically A is less than B. So what is the A? A is 3 and B will be What is the value of b? B will be 2. 3 less than 2, right? So this is condition is false, so answer will be a, and value of a is 3, right? In the same way, 3 less than 2, 3 less than 2, so answer will be b plus, so what is the current value of b? That is 2, right? But this is the post increment operator, right? So in a next line the value will be incremented, right? So if we talk about the line number 3, then a and b. So what is the value of a? A will be 3, and what will be the value of b? B will be 3, because there is some post increment, right? In a line number 3, in a line number 4, this is the important: c plus equal to a less than b, a less than b question mark a plus plus colon b plus plus, right? So in this case, how this expression will be executed, right? So here we can see that there is a two operator, right? There is a two operator. This is the plus equal to, and this is the ternary operator. So in a table we can see that this is the plus equal to, I think this is the plus equal to, and this is the ternary operator. So this operator has a, this operator and this operator, which operator has the highest priority? Ternary has a highest priority, right? So in this case, this will be executed first, right? We can say that this will be executed first. So what is the value of a? A will be 3, right? 3 less than 3. Is this true or false? Is this true or false, right? Is this false, right? Is this condition will be false? So what will be the answer of this question? B. What is the current value of b? That is 3, right? So again we can write c plus equal to 3. That means this entire expression will be returned 3. Why? Because 3 less than 3, this is the post increment, right? So in the next line, c is equal to c plus 3. What is the c? C is equal to 1, 1 plus 3, that is c is equal to 4. C is equal to 4, right? So in this case, answer will be 4. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, right? So in a line number 4, there is a two operator plus equal to and ternary operator. Which operator has a highest priority? We can say question ternary operator, right? We can see that ternary operator has a highest priority. So a less than b, that is 3 less than 3, condition will be false. Condition will be false, then expression 2 will be executed, that will be the 3 will be returned. C is equal to c plus 3, right? 1 plus 3, that is 4, right? So in the same way, what is the output of this statement? ABC. What is the out A? What is the A? A will be 3. A will be 3. What is the B? B will be, right, 4. Because there is some post increment. And what is the value of C? Right? C will be 4. C will be 4. Right? In the same way, we can try this statement also. Let me rub. So statement this will be c equal to c greater than equal to b greater than equal to a question mark 1 colon 0. So we can think for that what will be the output of this program. So again there will be some, again same concept, greater than equal to and ternary, which has a highest priority. Greater than equal to and ternary, which has a highest priority. So we can say that this is the greater than and this is the ternary operator. So greater than equal to has a highest priority, then this will be executed first, right? So this will be executed first. So what is this? C. C will be, what is the value of C? I think C will be 4 now. In the last time C is equal to 0, right? So 4 greater than equal to 4, right? This condition will be true, right? This condition will be true, I think. Yes, this is the condition will be true. So then this expression will be returned 1. This expression will be returned 1. Then we can solve 1 greater than equal to a question mark 1 colon 0. What is the value of a? A will be, what is the value of a? A will be 3 na? Yes, 3. So 1 greater than equal to 3, this will be the false, then answer will be 0, right? So answer will be 0, right? So a last statement you can try itself, right? So let me introduce this. I will try to answer this code through any compiler, online compiler, right? So we can see that output. This will be the same code for that, right? So 3 2 3 3 4 3 4 4 0 and 1. You can see that first 3 3 2 3 3. In the same way, if we can see 3 2 3 3 4 3 4 4 0, right? 4 3 4 4 0, right? So we can verify that what will be the output of this my program, right? So if you like my video, then we can share, subscribe my channel, right? Thank you so much.